Hey and welcome to Alpha One. So I have now just had a live session where I trade binary option, and you can basically just join in every single day, Monday to Friday, where I trade on this broker, and you can copy what I'm doing. And I explain very easily how you're supposed to copy me. And always in a live session, if someone have problem to copy, I will always find a better way so you can do what I'm doing, okay? So now let's take a look at the trades I've done. But before we do that, make sure you join this broker. If you want to join me on the next live stream that will be Monday for this broker, make sure you join with the link below. Open at least a demo account because it's much more fun to follow my live sessions when you actually can do what I'm doing. And if you see you manage to copy and you see that it's something you would like to do, then go in with real money. Then you use the promo code also, so you get 200% on your first deposit, okay? Now let's take a look at the trades we have done today in the live stream. So you can see here, 25. We basically did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trades today, and we won 7 of them. That is a good win rate. I always said my win rate in my live streams are around 7 and 8 wins for each 10 trades I do. So you see we are keeping that win rate today also. And also, just so you know, I have been trading live now with live streams like just the one I had today for 1.5 years now. And I started it balance, you see here, with $100. So yes, it is possible to build account with small amount, but yes, it will take you some time, but it's fun to do, okay? So make sure you join me on the next live stream. Also, I will be trading live tomorrow also. That will be on Pocket Option, okay? That will be on Discord. So below the video, you'll find a link to Discord, and make sure you jump in there also, because yes, we are going to be trading live in Discord for Pocket Option. And if you want to copy me on Pocket Option for tomorrow, make sure you close your old account down and reopen with a new one. The reason for that is you get a super account with me where you get 60% of my affiliate income, okay? So if you want to join me and trade live on Discord, I trade for IQSense, I trade Monday to Friday, and for Pocket Option, I trade every single Saturday, okay? So choose what you think is better for you, okay? So that's enough for this video, and I hope I see you in live stream tomorrow. And if not, join me on the live stream in Monday where we will trade on this broker. Have an amazing day, and let's make some money together.